We're watching the garbage truck early in the morning. He's taking forever to move. And it's the trash truck, and he's just waiting here. We're gonna see it pick up all the way from down there to see how good this driver is. I'm gonna get a little closer with this. He's gonna pick up those cans right there. You can hardly see them. And here's our neighborhood, by the way. I'm with the garbage truck move. Let's go in front. Check, there's a car coming towards the driver garbage truck. Hurry up, just stop. We're gonna see him pick up these cans. Me too. I think we're gonna start earlier back. If we keep walking back here, he might start to go a little bit. We're seeing garbage cans picked up all the way from down there. That's like a new neighbor's. Not that house. It's in the
Man! Hold on.
Yeah, I'm getting cold.
Should I get my coat?
Yeah, can you run out? Bring my coat. Bring mine too. Bring. He's bringing the coats on and on. But still running, and who's this little puper driver? I mean, it's not a kid. That's not really nice. I just want him to go. Man, he never even picked up these free bins that I'm not even past. Okay, I gotta go towards him. I got to go towards him. What is going on? I never even reached this driveway yet, and I had to go here. I just had to. I got this garbage truck driver to move. Jew. Looks like he's at that brown house. He's moving! That's noisy. Man, that squeaky noise is getting me. Oh, he knocked the bin over. Adrian, he's already coming. Gee, thank you. I hate that coat.
I got your coat. Okay.
Oh, I hate this coat, but I can at least put it on my hand.
That's all I found.
Here's our house. You have to take the wood out. Did you see that? He's gonna pick up that chair. He knocked the bin over. stack that bin over to get that couch or chair. Let's go see the next house. It's going up the leaf.